Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about how to increase height naturally in kids. Genes have an important say in determining the height of the child. However, it is not the only factor which influence the height. External factors like the condition they live in, the kind of food they eat, and exercise also play an important role in determining the height of the child. Here are some ways you can increase your child's height. Number 1. Stretching exercises. Stretching helps elongate the spine and improve your kid's posture. Here are 2 easy stretching exercises. Make your kid stand on his feet with his back against the wall and ask him to stretch his leg muscles while reaching upon the wall simultaneously. Another easy simple exercise for stretching involves the child sitting on the floor with his legs wide apart and reaching to touch the toes of both legs with his arms. Number 2. Hanging. Hanging from bars help to elongate the spine, which is an important part of becoming taller. Apart from regular hanging, you can also ask your child to do pull-ups and chin-ups. Both the exercises make the muscles of the back and arms stronger. Next is skipping. Skipping rope is a fun exercise. It works on the entire body including the heart and increase height. The entire body stretches while skipping the rope, and this promotes the vertical growth of the child. It is also an amazing cardio workout, and this helps keep your kid active and healthy. Next is swimming. Swimming is another healthy and fun exercise that can aid the overall growth of your child. It is a full body exercise that works on all the muscles of the body. Swimming also involves a lot of stretching, which stretches the spine and the neck and promote good height. Another exercise to increase height in kids is toe touching. It is an easy exercise perfect for the kids. Toe touching stimulates the muscles in the back, calves and thighs. It also stretches his entire body, which supports increased height. Next is ankle weights. These are another effective way to enhance your child's height. This workout helps in stretching the lower part of the body. The cartilage between your child's knee is stretched during this workout, and this may make them taller. But make sure that small weights are used and increase them as your child grows older. Then is jogging. Increase your kid's height with jogging. There is no end to the benefits of jogging even for the adults. To help your child grow taller, encourage him to jog every day and accompany them so that it is a more enjoyable experience. Now, exercises your kid must avoid. Weightlifting exercises are a big no for the kids. They can interfere with the natural growth hormones in the kids. Stick to normal exercises that will help build strength, endurance, and flexibility. Then maintain the right posture. Maintaining the right posture is very important for your child. Slumping or slouching can add unnecessary stress to the spine. This poor posture can alter the shape of the child's spine and decrease height. Next is ensure good sleep. A good night's sleep is not just important for the adults, but it is also for the children. Children need 11 to 14 hours of sleep at night, and teens need 8 to 11 hours of sleep a night. Sleeping releases a growth hormone which is called human growth hormone. This plays a direct role in increasing the height. So, skipping sleep is not a good idea. Next, seek some sunlight. Sunlight is an excellent source of vitamin D. Vitamin D helps in muscles and bone growth, which boosts your child's height. It also helps the body absorb calcium from your diet, which is essential for the bone health. Then ensure plant-based protein. Protein is a key for your child and has the biggest impact upon height. Nuts, nut butters, beans and lentils are all excellent sources of protein. A stalk of celery filled with healthy peanut butter or almond butter is like a turbo boost for the height. Quinoa, flax seeds hemp seeds, and chickpeas can all be added to dishes to increase protein and variety in your child's diet. And all these increase height. Now next is whole eggs and dairy. Eggs are nutritious whole foods and are rich in protein. The white of the egg is albumin and it is 100% protein. Whole eggs also add healthy fats, vitamin B12 and calcium, and all these are essential for the bone health and growth. Next, ensure good milk intake. Milk is high in protein, vitamins D, A, B, E and also calcium. These are all critical in helping your child grow taller. Milk is also high in omega-3 fatty acids, and these healthy fats are essential for the proper growth. Next is encourage vegetables intake. Kale, spinach, broccoli, asparagus and collard greens are packed full of essential vitamins, minerals and fiber, and all these promote height in kids. Next is bananas. Every kid loves bananas. Bananas are rich in manganese, potassium and calcium, and all these are kings of height. Now other fruits which increase height in children include oranges, apples, mangoes, nectarines and grapefruit. All these work great. These fruits are high in vitamin C, and this vitamin C helps the body absorb and utilize calcium, and calcium is critical to growth. Now ensure good meat and fish intake. Lean meats and fish, especially those that are grass-fed, organic or wild-caught, are fine. They are high in protein and healthy fats. Chicken work as well. Organic and free-range chickens free from any hormones or antibiotics are the best for increasing height in children. Next, avoid sodas and all aerated drinks. These are full of sugar or some bad sweeteners that are calcium inhibitors. They actually often block the body's ability to efficiently absorb calcium, and as we know, calcium is critical to growing taller. Now another important tip to increase height in children is avoid high carbohydrate rich foods, especially highly processed cereals, rice, breads and pastas. These can negatively impact the body human growth hormones. If you are going to eat these carbohydrate laden foods, then try and stick to whole grains and natural foods, not the instant or processed version. In general, stay away from the highly processed foods. Fresh and natural is the best. Now next, make your kid do some yoga. Yoga practice involves a lot of stretching and balance, and both these are great for your kid's height. Make your kid do some yoga asanas like Surya Namaskar, Chakrasana and tree pose. Try to do these poses along with your kid so that he can get some inspiration from you. Then another important tip, ensure good nutrition during pregnancy because it is important for the bone health and growth of the fetus. The World Health Organization recommends that people who are pregnant should consume a variety of foods such as fruits, especially orange, green vegetables, pasteurized dairy products, beans, nuts, meat and fish. And one last thing, unless ordered by your doctor, stay away from the supplements, pills and magic potions that claim to increase your child height because they don't work. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative health videos.